Trader friends, we are looking at the Bitcoin chart, but this is a special Bitcoin chart. We are looking at the Bitcoin CME futures chart because we want to spot the gap that we are running towards right now. And this is very interesting because those CME gaps are very likely to be filled. As you can see, after our all-time high, which we hit 65,000 back in April, we can see a gap that formed from 60K downwards. And you can see a clear gap over here. And that gap got filled exactly to the dollar when we rallied down and then bounced back to 60K. So it is very likely those gaps are filled at the CME futures chart. And right now we are heading towards another gap that opened at the 32 and 33 range. So this is the rectangle I draw over here. And why is that interesting? Because a lot of people are only looking at the support range right now and maybe even having some buy limits sitting over here and waiting to get that cheap price for Bitcoin. And that's why they stack their buy limit orders maybe over there. Now, a lot of people and the banks and institutions, they are probably aware of this, and maybe we will be seeing a price drop into that 30 to 33K range to close that CME gap and then see the bull run that we are all expecting. Now, this is something we might consider. And also, if you are looking at my older analysis, because I dropped basically two ideas, and one was actually true as of right now. If we are looking at this one, this was our head and shoulders prediction that I did on the 12th of October. And everyone was telling me, no, this is not gonna happen. No, not bearish, bro. Everyone told me that, but actually, we almost did that pattern almost perfectly, and we might expect more downside, yes, but if the head and shoulders formation will not play out, this is also an idea we might consider to go in for buys at that range. This is what I will be doing in Confluence, in addition with using our Heiken Katsui strategy by Trader Friends. Now, this is something I wanted to share with you. Look out for that CME gap closure, because you might miss out on some nice buy opportunities if you are not trading this and only waiting for the support range down here, which we might maybe never drop back to. And that's why also consider maybe putting in some buys in that CME gap. So this was everything from me, Alexander Wojciechowski from Trader Friends. I wish you guys happy trading.